What's going on, folks? It's Mr. Bucketlist here, and today I want to do something a little bit different. I want to make a video on why you should become Yelp Elite. Let's check it out. Not only will this video be a breakdown of why I believe you should look into becoming Yelp Elite, but this will also be a review of one of their actual events. Now let's get into it. What exactly is Yelp Elite? Well, anytime you look up a company, you look up their reviews, most people are familiar with things like Google reviews, TripAdvisor, and also Yelp. And so Yelp essentially is a website that has reviews and pictures and photos and information about various businesses all around the world. Now, those reviews come from the ordinary public. This isn't like companies like peer-to-peer reviewing and stuff like that, at least not that I'm aware of. But essentially, it's people like you and me that just go to their restaurants, for example. They leave a review on Yelp, and that's where the reviews come from. So just the public that actually tries it out. They don't allow sponsor reviews or anything like that. Now, with that said, if you're very consistent with your reviews, you can actually be nominated to become Yelp Elite, or now you can actually try to self-nominate yourself and at least get on their radar, and someone can approve you to be Yelp Elite. Now, for me, obviously, if you look at my YouTube channel, I love to review stuff, and I've been doing this since college. I mean, literally since I was in my teens. And so for me, I mean, it spans more than just videos. I love doing written reviews and things like that. And so I used to do it for fun, and I still do it for fun on websites like Google and Yelp. And so there was one time where I got a message and said, hey, you really do a lot of reviews. You should look at Yelp Elite. And I thought it was spam, so I ignored it. And then I got the message again like a year later. I'm like, what is going on? And so they say, yeah, all you need is a profile picture actually showing your face, because I had a cartoon on there. And they say you can get into Yelp Elite. And so I did it, and I got into Yelp Elite. I will tell you all right now, it truly, the benefits that come with it, I am very, very shocked. And I say that because I love VIP events, and I'm always willing to pay for VIP events. Again, if you go on my channel, you watch how many cruises and vacations and just how many events I've been to. I always pay for the VIP upgrade every single time. And when you join Yelp Elite, you are officially treated like VIP. And not only that, but essentially, for the most part, it's free stuff. And so again, this is not some type of, this isn't a sponsored video, and this is not some type of thing to say, oh yeah, join this so you can get free stuff. But just understand that you get rewarded for actually reviewing businesses. That's it. That's what it breaks down to. You review a bunch of businesses, you're honest about it, you give your honest feedback, and then guess what? They invite you to actually try things out. And so, for example, again, we were invited out to the Ritz-Carlton here in Sarasota. Now, I'll quickly show the menu here to show everything that was included in this. I mean, just look at this. Again, all this was free. I mean, the only thing I had to do was just show my phone and just scan that I was here. All this was free. So all the food, all the drinks, and I mean, this food was so good. Look at it. And the drinks were as well. I mean, I'm not a big drinker, but the drinks were phenomenal. I mean, this one purple drink tasted like candy. And then there was also live painting. There was a DJ. It was just a very nice, grown and sexy social event. I really enjoyed it. And that's another reason why I can recommend looking into becoming Yelp Elite, because essentially, if you're looking for friends, if you're looking for events, just something to do in general. I mean, they have something going on literally multiple times a month. And for the most part, like I said, it is free. Now, you're not guaranteed to get in, because they have a process where they do RSVP and they rotate the guest list and stuff like that. But either way, like I said, just having the access of these type of events is phenomenal. I mean, just look at this sunset, look at this view. This is just, it's amazing. And again, everything was included. Everything was free. Now, they do ask you to tip at the very end, because again, it is free, and so you do have people at work, you do have stuff that's getting paid for, so they do ask you to tip, but again, it's a tip. So I mean, it's not necessarily mandatory, but it is highly and strongly recommended. Now, just for full transparency, this was my first ever Yelp Elite event, but I did go to one last weekend. It was called Reggae Rise Up Florida. Now, this wasn't only for Yelp Elite, but because I'm Yelp Elite, I was able to get free tickets. And the tickets were valued at about, man, close to $300-$400, depending on how many days you want to go. I just wanted to go for the weekend, but they literally allowed us to say if we wanted to go from Thursday to Sunday, so essentially 4 days. So again, I highly recommend Yelp Elite with this review for this actual event. This was phenomenal. And then another thing I want to point out, well, actually another person I want to point out is Skylar. This is going to be our community manager for the Tampa Bay, St. Pete area. Essentially, each major city has a community manager that kind of manages the events and stuff like that for Yelp Elites. She was great. Like I said, she put some phenomenal events going on. She actually just created a new event that's coming up in May, and hopefully I get into it. Like I said, I don't want to talk about it too much in case I don't get in, but my birthday's in May, so that would be pretty amazing to actually get there. I'll just say it's at a racetrack that's been a new racetrack that just opened up here in Tampa Bay. It's worth a lot of money, a lot of high-end cars, garages, and things like that. So I hope I'm able to go. But either way, I hope this video helped out. If you're trying to live that influential life, but you don't know how, I can tell you right now, this YELP Elite, this is probably the closest you can get without actually being an influencer. You can do it easily by just writing some reviews. So again, I hope this video was helpful. It's MrBucketlist. I'll see you soon.